Hey, this is Dennis, Mountain Creek, Vernon, New Jersey, 0G. There's Todd. I'm gonna redline this. Go real quick, hopefully I don't fall. I'm gonna try to record this. Okay. That was mad nice. Todd learned, man. Todd ain't that bad. Yeah, how was that?
Sick, bro.
Sick?
Oh, I see bomb that.